What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't made a video in a long time. I'm sorry about that, but we are back because I want to make this and say thank you to everyone who watched my videos, subscribe to the channel, because I have hit 10,000 subscribers. It's been a good 5 years of making videos and I finally hit 10,000 subscribers. It's another milestone to me. If you guys watched me from the beginning when I had like 36 subscribers, I made a custom plaque for myself for hitting 1,000 subscribers, and I said I was gonna make another one if we hit 10,000. So this year, 2020, we hit 10,000, and I just figured, you know, I want to say thank you again. I've always been blessed to have great viewers and subscribers and people who watch my stuff over and over. I made a lot of DIY videos, I made a lot of vlog videos, unboxings, things that pertain to my life at the time, and you guys were there with me from day one. So we're in the garage and let's go ahead and talk about some stuff that I've rewarded myself for hitting 10,000 subscribers, and there's a lot to talk about. But for now, let's go ahead and just see what's going on with the S2000. S2000 is looking very mint, guys. I just washed the car the other day, so you can tell it's really clean. Even the soft top, I cleaned this really well with a brush a couple washes ago, and I coated it with a soft top protectant. So you know, now that I've washed it after 2 months, it actually held up very well and it looks really good and brand new still. The wheels, Advan RS's, very beautiful. And I actually got these lug nuts recently as well from Velocity Shop. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I buy most of my car parts from velocityshop.com. These are the Project Kick Neochromes, as you can see. These are the short ones. They do sell long ones. I bought the same set for my ISF. I bought the same set for the S2000 when I had the Mugen MF10s, and I bought the same set when I had the R34 Skyline. So you can watch all those videos to see the life and history of all my other cars I own. Haven't really modded it much besides the wheels and the lug nuts, but I really want to enjoy the subtleness of the AP1 with the parts on it. In the past videos, I posted that I bought some mods for the car and I haven't yet put them on. Just been trying to do other life stuff to balance out the videos, the cars, and all that good, you know, whatever. You know how it goes, just busy, but I'll show you guys the parts again if you haven't watched it. Many of you guys know I bought myself a Snap-on toolbox used on Facebook, and it's in pretty decent shape. It was pretty dusty and dirty. None of these drawers will slide open nice like this. These are the S2000 parts that I've bought. These are the lug nuts that I just put on the car. These are from Hard Race, also supplied by Velocity Shop. I picked up these axle or drive shaft spacers from Hard Race, and we're gonna be putting these on the car soon. It's just trying to find a way to do it safely in my garage. Usually people put these on a lift. But technically, when you lower the S2000, it has a tendency to have like a knocking noise, almost like the axle is too short. Even if, you know, you drop it an inch or whatever, you still have those issues. So that's why I bought those, because that's supposed to fix those issues. I also have the AP2 center console that I'm upgrading from the AP1. I just like how big and broad it is. I started wrapping this. But this seat, as you can see, is not really the cleanest job that I've ever done. So I'm going to rewrap it. That's why you see that other piece of vinyl in here. But I did do the cup holder area, and it came out really nice for the most part. I just wanted to protect the original black finish on it. Even though it wasn't perfectly clean, I just wanted to do something different and just wrap it carbon fiber. As for the toolbox itself, I put these wood floorings on top because in the previous video I mentioned that all of these are messed up. The little rubber mat is all crusty. So this is just to clean it up a little bit. I just left this little Hot Wheels display thing that I have going on here because this couldn't fit in my room, so I left it here for the time being. And this is my plaque, my 1,000 subscriber plaque. I will be recreating that over here with the 10,000 subscriber. And if ever one day I do get 100,000 subscribers, I'm probably gonna move that thing and put it right there. So I think it'll be a nice little milestone for myself, for the channel, and hopefully I can reach that goal one day. You guys came here because I have 10,000 subscribers. I treated myself to some things because I knew I was gonna hit 10,000 subscribers about 3-4 weeks ago. Right now I'm currently at 10,200, so thank you very much for those who have subscribed. But what I did is I bought some tools, and the tools I purchased them from isn't from Snap-on, isn't from Craftsman, isn't from Mac Tools. I told you guys before I was gonna buy something a little bit more affordable with some quality into it, and I chose to go with Tekton. They're very affordable. I went on their website and noticed that they offer 10% cash back in rewards. It's also free shipping above $75 or $100, something like that. So it's a win-win situation. So I purchased, you know, if you purchase like $300-400 worth of tools, you get about $30 to $40 worth of rewards that can go to the next set of tools that you buy from them. So anyway, I bought some Tech10 tools as well as some other screwdrivers from another brand, but I want to show you guys what I bought. And you guys can also see how the quality is up close and personal. I'm trying to get some good footage of how nice the chrome is on them. And also, you know, maybe you guys might be speculating some new tools in the future as well for yourself. So, you know, go ahead and check this out and hopefully you guys like it. So I like to keep my sockets on the top. If you watched my snap-on video, you know that I was saying that I had these Craftsman, you know, blow mold case looking things. I don't have a complete set here. I took most of it to work because we use metric at work, so I have a lot of standard in here. But as you can see, we got some nice socket trays here, but we're here to talk about Tech10. So here it is. This is the Tech10 3/8 wrench with a 90 tooth. So it's really fine, really nice. So this set actually came in these big cases, and I just put them out in these trays. We can talk about the trays in a little bit, but we can look at the Tech10 chrome. We can look at the chrome on it. It's really, really nice quality. Even the etching is really, really clean. If you look carefully inside, they're not coated. They're almost like a raw metal finish, and that's pretty good for keeping grip in the bolts. I just thought it was a really nice finish for the most part. So I got myself the 3/8 and the 1/4 socket set. So this is metric and this is standard. This is metric, this is standard. As you can see, 1/2 inch, I haven't bought it yet. The set is about 200 bucks. It does come with standard and metric, but I went ahead and just wanted to wait a little bit. But these are the socket trays I use for it. I just kind of have my Craftsman here for the time being. For you guys' future reference, these are from Westling, westlingmachine.com. These trays were about $100 shipped for half, the 1/4 and the 3/8. So it's a whole set. It actually takes up no space at all, and it's really clean. They stay in there really well. Made out of aluminum. I chose to get orange and red just because it pops out in this black toolbox. They have different colors. You can check it out. So I decided to pair the Tech10 with the Westling, and I think it goes very, very well hand in hand. But you know, we're gonna talk more about the tools later. I just wanted to show you guys that I purchased a Tech10 socket set, and I only choose to do that because it has literally everything. This set starts with 6mm all the way to 24, which is a really big jump. And I want it to have the most I can have so that I don't have to worry about certain things. It even comes with this. This is the 1/4 inch, but it comes with a socket set for the bits. So you can change these bits around. I used this for taking off a rear view window when I was tinting a car last week. But no, I can't pull it off right now with one hand. But yeah, that's really nice that it's included. As well as really, really clean swivel. So there you have it. This is the Westling machine socket trays, and these are the Tech10 3/8 and 1/4 socket set. Next, I want to move down to my screwdrivers that I purchased. These are made by Wera, German made. But if you look closely, these grips are really, really nice and ergonomic, as well as laser etched tips, which I can try to get a video of. Yeah, so the laser tips really come in handy when it comes to gripping the screw. It really doesn't come loose or snap or slip, which is very great. I haven't really tried to use this as much, but for the little stuff that I have used it for, they work fantastic. So those are my Wera sets. I'm gonna order more. These aren't the complete ones. There's actually a lot more. So we'll look into that later. I did also get some Tech10 pliers. These are just like a random set that they sell. You can also buy other ones, but I got these for now. I'm probably gonna buy more later. Got a pair of dikes here, some clamps, needle nose. It's always good to have some needle noses around. To me, the quality is pretty good for the most part. So you guys know what pliers are. I'm sure any kind of plier would work. These are really solid for the most part. So there you go, guys. Those are the tools that I purchased from Tech10 and Wera. just wanted to upgrade my toolbox a little bit since I did buy a brand new box, and I think these are a good starter set. They do have warranty, so if something happens to your Tech10 tools, you can just take a photo of them, send it online, and that's the claim. They will send you another one, or they might request you to send it back. They may fix it and then they'll return it, but most part, from what I heard online, they do just send you a different one or a brand new one. So that's always a plus when it comes to buying tools, to have that warranty. I know Snap-on and all those other tools have that option as well, but you gotta find a tool truck and a dealer to go ahead and do all those paperwork for you, whereas Tech10 does do it online, using pictures and your word of mouth pretty much. So that's always a plus, and I'm glad that I got those, and hopefully we get to use it soon when I start working on the S2000 again. There's tons of stuff I want to put on it, tons of stuff I gotta do to it, and it's just a matter of time before I can get to that, because there's so much going on this year. If you actually look in the back of my garage, I actually bought this big tarp to cover up all those storage items that's on the shelf. If you watch my videos for the past 3 years, you notice I have a bunch of crap on there, but this just cleans it up a little bit. I might end up buying another LED light right here that sits on the back, because I do have 3 on the other side, but I only have 2 on this side. I think that third one really brightened up this garage a little bit more, but for the time being, it's okay the way it is. I just want to make an update video for you guys so you can see what I've been up to, and also to thank you guys for sticking it by, watching my videos, and those who are new to the channel, hello, welcome. Gonna start making some more videos when there's time. Obviously time is never on my side, it seems like these days as I get older, but yeah, we're gonna do more projects, I hope, and hopefully there's gonna be a lot more content for the channel. And again, thank you so much for joining it. Thank you so much for those who've been here since the beginning with my first 1,000 subscriber I guess you want to call it a plaque. It's been great, it's been awesome. You guys are the best, and we will be putting a 10,000 subscriber plaque here next to this very, very soon. Thank you.